called Shop Me There. As I see you all living it according to the will of God. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I am super excited to be able to say this officially because I have been procrastinating for the longest time. So you guys, welcome to Midel's World. Yeah, that is the name of my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be talking about myself and what this YouTube channel entails, and please you guys should stay to watch to the end and enjoy this video. My name is Lasisi Ayomide. You can call me Ayo for short. Yeah, that is my name. I am a Christian. I know so many of you be like, but you have a Muslim name. Yeah, my dad is from a Muslim background, so that's how the name came about. But I am a Christian and I am a member of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG. I'm actually a student, but I am also an entrepreneur. I have a brand called Shop Me There, where I sell different accessories for my girlies and all of that. Yeah, so I am just a student and also doing that as my side also. Yeah. So guys, I am studying accounting, finance and taxation because yeah, I'm still in school, but I'm studying accounting, finance and taxation. Shout out to all the accounting students. That's I see you all. So guys, I plan to publish at least once a week. I don't have a particular day yet, but I'm going to try to put out a video once a week. So you guys should please try to watch out for whenever I drop a new video. Thank you. So we have come to where we have been waiting for. So this channel is going to be filled with a lots of goodies. So firstly, we are going to be putting this channel and living it according to the will of God. We're going to be living according to God's will. We're going to be doing things in line of God. Next up is lifestyle. All lifestyle content, expect it from me. All skincare content, all outing, going to the restaurant, going out, expect it from this channel. Then we are going to also be doing Q&A sessions. We are going to be doing sitting and talking sessions. We are going to do a lot of fun things on this channel. For anyone that is in a relationship, you can come over to this channel for relationship talks, advices. You can drop on topics that you want me to talk about. For the single people also, we are not excluded. This channel is also for us because it's going to be a lots of fun for us all. So guys, we have come to the end of this session, and all I want to say is thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. I am really grateful. Please do well to subscribe, comment, like, and please share my video so we all can grow together. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Mwah.